If you're looking for a cloud-based ERP solution, MRPeasy is the place to be. Well, if you've heard of it and don't know much about MRPeasy, you're actually in the right place. Today we're going to go and use it. We're going to review it and see what features they actually have to offer, why it's beneficial for you to be using MRPeasy, and we're going to weigh it off with some of their drawbacks. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing that we need to address is what MRPeasy actually is. Whoa, just 1 second. If you want to get started with MRPeasy, you can use the link in the description below and get started quickly and easily. Now, it is an affiliate link, which means that every time somebody clicks on it, we get a small kickback, which means you get to support our channel. Awesome, right? Okay, now we can get into it. So, in a nutshell, MRPeasy is a cloud-based ERP solution designed for small and medium-sized manufacturers. It offers tools for managing productivity, inventory, and operations all seamlessly. Let's have a look at some of the other features that MRPeasy offers. The first thing is the production planning. It allows you to streamline production schedules and optimize resource usage. You also get an inventory management, which allows you to keep track of stock levels and automate reordering. CRM integrations, you can manage all your customer relationships, your sales, and this can all happen within the platform. You get reporting and analytics, which is super powerful. You can generate reports to gain insights on your operations, and it allows you to make data-driven decisions rather than just hoping and guessing in the dark. You also get multi-currency support, so if you are operating in multiple countries, it is ideal for this specific situation. Now, of course, MRPeasy does come with one or two drawbacks, so we may as well just address the elephant in the room and discuss them. First of all, the one thing that I have found is for new users, the learning curve may be quite steep. It's got a bunch of very, very advanced, comprehensive features. So if you're a little bit new to the scene, maybe it's not like a beginner type software. Another thing is that the pricing, for a small business, the pricing might be a bit steep. It just depends specifically on your budget and how you feel personally about the pricing. So as you can see, MRPeasy has tons of awesome features. Of course, as we mentioned previously, they've got a couple drawbacks which we need to take into consideration when making a choice as to, what platform to use, regardless of the type of software. Now, the key takeaway here is to go ahead and actually use the platform and use the software and see if it actually does work for you or not. If this really was helpful, you can go ahead and show your support by dropping us a like, and we'll see you next time.